When you're preparing to sell your practice, your optical area plays a bigger role than most owners realize. Buyers look at your optical inventory as a snapshot of how well the business is managed. A clean, organized, up-to-date optical tells buyers your systems are strong, your team is consistent, and your product mix is intentional. It shows that your revenue isn't random. It's the result of structure and planning. But when frames are outdated, dusty, overstocked, or disorganized, buyers quietly assume the same about the rest of the business. It raises questions about inventory control, ordering habits, and overall attention to detail. The good news? Cleaning, updating, and reorganizing your optical can be done quickly, and it dramatically improves buyer confidence. A strong optical makes your practice look modern, profitable, and well run. Follow Hayden Advisory Group for more insights on preparing your practice for a successful sale.